Even done. Hello and welcome to Beth's Kitchen. Today we're going to make some of this delicious orange walnut chip cookies from a jar. And this brand is Beth's Kitchen. So I'm going to show you what to do. So first of all, excuse me, I need its own set of directions. I'm just going to pull that off. Okay, so I am going to put this in. Okay, so now
you're supposed to be doing.
Once you're done getting it out of the jar, which can be kind of hard, you need to put in 1/2 cup butter softened. Okay, that is a whole stick. So I'm going to put it into the microwave. So now, while I'm doing that, I'm going to put in 1 egg, which is very important. And if you don't have eggs, you can't do this. Okay, and my butter is done softening. So I'm just going to take this. Maybe a little bit longer to be softened. And I'm going to crack my egg. Make sure that you don't get an eggshell in there. And then afterwards, wash your hands. Okay, our butter is done now.
Do bookmarks.
So we can put it in there. Now we need, well, that's all we need, because we've already put in the cookie mix. Now we're just gonna, oh wait, and you need to preheat the oven to 375. Okay, so now I need to mix this all around. It's just about good. Now, you gotta read it again. Okay, so I'm gonna take this here baking sheet. And this here spoon. And I'm going to take a scoopful and I'm going to put it there. Okay, now my cookies go into the oven for 10 minutes. Oh, guess I should.